Some like crazy shit happened, bro. I was landscaping, right? I had a really bad day, so I decided to post this thing on Nextdoor. So I posted that on Nextdoor, and I had like a bunch of people calling me and shit. Cause I had a lot of houses, just couldn't do them anymore. So I decided to hire people. So I hired this guy called Will, best guy ever. Like my girlfriend's like brother and shit. Also great mom. They're amazing, amazing, bro. Antonio does a great job. But one of the people that I hired, I'm actually not gonna say his name. He was kind of like sketchy at the beginning, but it was chill. It was chill. We had like a chill conversation, kind of like a discussion at the beginning about how he was gonna get paid and when all this whatever, right? I go ahead and I give him the houses, the addresses and the names of the people and how much he was gonna get paid per house, right? So I was doing 30 per house, but he kept like talking like, oh, this house is big as shit. Make it 40, bro. Make it 40. And I'm like, bro, like we had a deal. So you don't want to work. You don't have to work. I'm paying you 30 bucks. You don't go to a job. You don't apply for a job that says we hire people 15 an hour. And then you go to your boss. Oh, this is so fucking hard. Pay me 20. That doesn't exist. That's not a thing. It's not a thing. I tell him no, whatever, right? We have another discussion. I should have ended it there, bro. He kept working. He just like ghosted me. He ghosted me completely. He didn't want he didn't say anything, any updates, like how you doing with the houses. I was getting paid by the people. Like they would like sell me and shit, like Venmo me. So I'm like, I guess he's doing a great job. I don't know what the fuck he's doing. Cause he just doesn't respond to my shit. But anyway.
I was in the video. I realized, bro, I took a video before that all happened. So I'm gonna play it and I'll show you guys what I was doing. All right, guys. So this is like a part 2 of that video that I uploaded like a couple days ago. I was doing the job. Basically got like a bunch of workers. Became like a boss, bro. I got 2 houses left. I'm gonna do that real quick. And then tomorrow I have a house at 7 a.m. So I'll do that tomorrow. I literally slept like 3 hours yesterday. I've been sleeping like shit.
You promised me you would never change.
Alright guys, just got to the house. Like very quiet. This whole neighborhood is really quiet. I'm honestly kind of scared. Probably gonna take me like 15 minutes. It's chill as fuck. It's so fucking small.
So it's a night and I'm finishing up houses. I'm doing that house and it was like 11 a.m. No. I mean 12 a.m. Right? 12 a.m. It was really late at night, but I was still working. He calls me and he says, where's my money? You need to pay me my money. He literally said this word by word. Like, first of all, I'm your daddy, alright? Don't go, oh, give me the fuck to your boss so he can fire you and keep the money. I could do that. We're not a company. We're not anything. Not contracts, no legal shit. If I don't want to pay you, I'm not going to pay you. So shut the finish my shit and then I'll pay you, bro. Chill out, bro. I'll pay you, but let me finish the house. He kept texting me and shit. I kept like ignore him. I'm like, chill out, bro. I'll pay you in a second. And he calls me and then he says, pay me my money. Pay me my bro, you should have seen that shit. This guy was mentally ill, bro. Some shit. He was like screaming, like, pay me right now, bro. I'm gonna and I'm like, yo, let me talk, bro. Let me talk. And then he's like, no. You have to pay me my fucking in my pocket right now or some shit. And I'm like, bro, this guy's I hang up and I text him, chill out, bro. I'm working. Give me your payment information and then I'll pay you, bro. Chill out. He gives me like some like fucking email and I'm like, what the fuck, bro? You know what a cell is, bro? You don't give me your email or some shit. That's my cell and pay me Apple Pay. You don't even have a fucking iPhone. I was sending him the screenshots of whenever I went to the Apple Cash thing. It said, this guy is not with Apple Cash. Like he's just he kept calling me. And then he stopped. And I'm like, damn, maybe now he chill out or some shit. Calls me again. Not even playing. Imagine this is a gun. Calls me and he's like, bro. What the f does that to me with his gun? And I'm like, what? This guy, and he has like people around him. Like, was just like, what? We dead ass? Look, I'll play the video, bro.
One of my workers just got crazy, like, saying he was gonna murder, and then saying that the people he worked for, he was gonna murder. Bro, what the f? Called 911. They told me to call the police department. I'm gonna get that straight, because what the f? I understand you being mad about it, like me taking long or whatever, but he ghosted. First of all, I'm gonna show you guys the screenshots. He ghosted me for like 2 hours or like 3 hours. Then he just told me, oh, I'm finished. Tell me my money. He started calling me and going crazy. And then he was like, I'm gonna kill you. He was like, yo, FaceTime me right now. FaceTime me right now. I started FaceTiming him. He started showing stuff. I'm like, bro, what? Like, what the actual fuck? What even is this, bro? What are we even doing, bro? What are we doing? It's a society, bro.
So after they showed me the company, and I was kind of crashing out, but I'm like, bro, if they're being for real, I can't crash out because they're gonna kill me. I think he was trying to trick me by not telling me, so he could just like keep like telling me he was gonna kill me, like threaten me and shit, so I could pay him more money. But I caught that he had Cash App, so I'm like, oh, you have Cash App? Hold on, let me set it up. I'm like, I got you, bro. You were trying to get more money from me, but I know that you have Cash App. So I went on my Cash App shit, and I type his name, whatever, right? And I see him there, and I'm like, I screenshot it, and I'm like, is this you? And he's like, yeah, that's me, bro. Just pay me. Cash App doesn't work, and I'm like, what the fuck is going on? And I'm like, he's pressing me, calling me with this, just this old for $150. I text one of my friends, and I'm like, brother, please somebody Cash App this. I'll pay him whatever the fuck, but he just like needs to leave me alone. Finally, one of my friends, I was texting a bunch of people. My friend Raul, shout out my friend Raul, bro. Raul es mi héroe. He clutched up that shit. Like, he sent them the money, and we're like, we cool, right? We cool. It's like blocked and word. He was black. I can't text him no more because it doesn't say delivered. So I'm like, oh shit. I asked Raul, I'm like, can you text him? And they had this conversation. Bro, every time we just lose more brain cells as like human beings.
Cinco meses desde pudo 14.